I'm Roshni. I'm an intern at NASA Ames. I work in the Biospheric Sciences group.
My name is John Rudy. I'm an intern at the NASA Armstrong Flight Research Center.
I'm Madison Mondich, and I am a communications intern at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas.
Hi, my name is Dorian.
And I'm Eric.
And we're interns at NASA Armstrong Flight Research Center.
My name is Alay Shaw. I'm an intern at NASA's Glenn Research Center.
I'm Adelanda, and I'm an intern at the International Space Station Program Science Office at Johnson Space Center.
My name is Trent Becker. I'm an intern at Center Space Center, Center Operations.
Hi, my name is Bertha Ahmed. I'm an intern at NASA Ames Research Center.
Hi, my name is Michael Baran.
And my name is Nashir Jah Mohammed. We're interns at NASA's Kennedy Space Center.
We're working on software development for the command and control systems that will be used to launch SLS.
And we're helping NASA go forward to the moon.